Conflict is part of life. It is natural and occurs in the workplace as well as in personal relationships. Having the correct skills on how to deal with conflict constructively will improve communication. What is conflict? In the article, The Role of Conflict in Communication, conflict is defined as a struggle between interdependent parties who perceive incompatible goals. Conflict can be expressed by giving an attitude verbally or even through body language. For example, giving a nasty look to someone can speak volumes with no words being used. It is important to handle conflict in a positive way so that the issue at hand does not build up over time and become worse from the first original problem.